How many are there?
There are 12.
No, that's a good 10 now.
Bang about that, I guess.
Hello guys. Gompieno re na le marumo a semester Shumba for chemistry. I understand that some of you have already done some of the topics are organic chemistry, but I just want to start from the beginning for those who have missed for various reasons. Maybe never see by rejoining, by see by simple to so can never see maybe they did not understand some of the things again. So now simple like the very first introduction to organic chemistry again. Here we are going to talk about carbon and carbon compounds. Say don't worry, most of them the starting point is crude oil again, which is also called petroleum. It is also called crude oil again. Petroleum, here we are talking about a complex mixture of hydrocarbons which can be separated into fractions. Okay. Hydrocarbons here, these are compounds which contains carbon and hydrogen atoms only. Okay. So, is the starting point again. Hariwaga organic chemistry. Because this is where you are going to obtain various chemicals like your fuels, stay over the alkanes motif. Okay? Is there a problem?
Kindly mute your microphones.
Okay?
Kindly mute your microphones.
So, this thing, crude oil, is the complex substance where we obtain our hydrocarbons. Okay. Hydrocarbons here, or alkanes. Okay. This was said okay. In oil wells, you know countries like the Arab countries, they can mine crude oil because what are they do? Because they are fossil fuels. They have been formed millions of years ago, by decaying plants and animal. They and then they were buried, and then it's exposed to high pressure and temperature. They deform this thing called crude oil, and then some deform coal. So now similar to crude oil, we are going to talk about fractional distillation of crude oil. A fractionating column. Most of you listen to distillation or what the way. What are it? Distillation. Here we are going to separate compounds based on difference in boiling point. Okay. That is distillation. Okay. But highly simple distillation, you will be separating only two compounds. It can be water and alcohol. Okay. That is simple distillation. But here, fractional distillation. We are going to be separating crude oil because your name, it has different types of hydrocarbons, okay, which can be separated into their fractions. Okay. Alright, what I'm going to a chamber, a very, very large chamber here, which is called fractionating column. Okay. So we are going to put in crude oil. Yeah, okay. And then there will be heat. Okay. So we're heating, you are going to heat this thing at a very, very high temperature. Okay. However, the heat has to be increased as you go downwards. Okay. Increasing heat. Okay. And then each and every fraction, okay, of crude oil, okay, okay, the one which has the highest boiling point, that's why the heat increases as you go downwards, okay, it's called tar. Okay. The other name is bitumen. Bitumen. Okay. And then lubricating oil. This thing you similar on the thing that is similar okay, you know what? Oil is more liquid compared to tar. This one is a solid kind of, but still liquid. Okay. After lubricating oil, what about diesel? We all know what diesel is. And then after diesel, gasoline. Okay, which is just petrol for cars. And then there is kerosene. This one is the fuel for jet engines. And then only refinery gas. Exactly. This is a gas, these are liquid, these are more denser liquid. Okay. This one has the highest boiling point. Okay. Also, it is in the longest chains of hydrocarbons. Okay. So, refinery gases, because you also have to know about the uses. That's why there's fuel chemicals. Okay. Refinery gas, the main constituents here is methane. Okay. And of course, there are other gases like pentane, propane, yada. Okay. It is used as a cooking gas for homes. Okay. To another gas in order to wapa okay. It's more crude oil. The same way when the petrol is diesel. Okay. What's in crude oil after and then you are going to distillate it and produce all these kinds of stuff here. Okay. Kerosene, this one is fuel for jet engines. Okay. That's the use of it. And then petrol, we know that it's a fuel for small cars. Okay. and then this is if we layer large trucks etc. You will gain most of them they use diesel again. Lubricating oil, right? Sorry, this one is body engine oil, okay, and also for factories they can use it for heating. Okay. Tire, it is very simple. This one is used for making roads. Okay. This one is okay. So you should be able to know what's going on here. Or if you take crude oil and you put it inside a fractionating column, this is just a chamber in where you're going to heat that mixture. If the temperature is maybe around 400 here, hana itla belo go 70 again. Or boiling point ya refinery gas less than 60. If the temperature here is 70, or at that time the gas would be, this thing would be a gas because the temperature is above the boiling point. So you're going to be able to tap that gas there again. And then here, high temperature is 400. What was we tap up. All other things will be a gas, and then they are going to rise to the top again. And then you will tap up go at different levels again. So petrochemicals again. So this is fuels. This is our starting point in organic chemistry again, because from them we also get compounds which can be used for making plastics, detergents, and other solvents again. So let us now go to the next objective, which is homologous series. Can I continue? Hello guys.
Continue.
Okay. So now we are going to look at homologous series. Okay. And then first of all, we have to define what is homologous series. Okay. So we are going to talk about a family of similar compounds with same chemical properties due to the presence of same functional group. Already here you are going to be having a family, a family of similar compounds, similar organic compounds. Let us just be specific and say similar organic compounds with the same chemical properties because they have the same functional group. For example, one type of homologous series one alkenes. And then functional group they should be across all the carbon atoms, we have to have the 4 bonds again. The alkanes. Alkanes and alkanes are high hydrocarbons because they contain carbon and hydrogen only again. What about alkenes is also another form of homologous series. The functional group is the double bond here, carbon to carbon again. And then alcohols or alkanols. Again, the functional group K, it has a OH, again, and we also have carboxylic acids. Okay. Here we have originally COO, again. That is the functional group for carboxylic acids. But for today, we will look at these two only. About how to name them, as well as their structural isomers, as well as how they react. Okay. But before we can go to alkenes, homologous series about the properties. Properties of homologous series. Okay. One is they have same chemical properties.